In her 2020 book, Putin's People, author Catherine Belton wrote that Russian oligarch Roman Abramovich bought the Chelsea Football Club in 2003 on the orders of President Vladimir Putin to extend Russian influence abroad. Abramovich's lawyer told London's High Court that the book contained what he described as lazy inaccuracies, which gave the impression that he was Putin's cashier. Abramovich denies he bought Chelsea on Putin's orders. Author Belton cited two sources for the allegation. One was former Russian government insider Sergei Pugachev, the other anonymous. Defense lawyers told the court that Abramovich's wealth was to a substantial extent on call when requested by President Putin. Press freedom advocates say the courts are being used to silence journalists.
The concern here is that this could lead to, and it's intended indeed, to create fear, a climate of fear, which would inhibit investigative journalism and which would inhibit the questioning of those who exercise huge power and wealth and influence. It's about Russia, it's about Russian money, but it's also about Russian influence in the UK.
Russia's state-owned energy giant Rosneft is also suing Belton and her publisher HarperCollins UK. Rosneft's lawyers argued passages in the book suggested the company had expropriated the assets of Russian oil company Yukos in a rigged auction. Catherine Belton's lawyers told the court the claims were well sourced and based on years of research and interviews. As Belton is named as a defendant, her personal assets are at risk.
We have to be very clear that there is a right to one's good name. There is a right to protect your reputation. But when defamation law is used to prevent, as is happening, it seems to me in this case, the legitimate questioning of powerful individuals, when it is used to inhibit legitimate questioning about matters of public interest, then we have to ask if the law is appropriate.
Financier and human rights campaigner Bill Browder fears a chilling effect on the media.
You're going to have less robust reporting and less controversial books about corruption in Russia and about Putin and about the oligarchs, because everyone's going to be afraid of finding themselves in the same situation.
Belton's book was name-checked in a video posted online by the jailed Russian opposition leader Alexei Navalny, in which he claimed President Putin owned a secret $1 billion mansion on the Black Sea. Putin denies the claim.
I'm certain that the Kremlin will use every aspect of this case as propaganda.
The initial two-day hearing last month was to decide the meaning of contested passages. A ruling on that is expected next month, and any defamation trial would proceed on the basis of those meanings. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.